Hello. There's about 9 days left for my birthday. And because I enjoy doing everything last minute, I'm going to start making my birthday dress. Actually, 9 days is like quite early for me. I usually do things 2 days before. I mean, if there is no rush to do it, then why do it? This is the fabric I have. It's a beautiful pink color. It's actually in this, it's a bit different, but it's hot pink. Basically, it's hot pink. It's a ribbed fabric, kind of like your t-shirt fabric. And I'm going to make a top and skirt set. Very boring, I know. I have other fabric options. I could have made like a fluffy frock. I'm not in the mood for it though. I'm going to turn 27. I don't feel like wearing a fluffy frock for my 27th birthday. I'd wear it the day before or the next day, not on my birthday. I'm too old for that. I'm just kidding. I wanted to make this and I thought, okay, this is the perfect opportunity to make this. This is the design. I'll actually show you inspiration pics. I think we should get started. That I'm doing it wrong. I want the lines to go down, not horizontal. Lines are going like this. I want the lines to go like this. Whoopsie! It's a different day and I have like 4 days left for my birthday and I've made no progress. Why is it so wide? I'm not really sure how I feel about this. Here I've made a band for the skirt and as you can see I've become more meticulous. I'm using pins. Who am I? It's a 2-inch band and I'm gonna cut. Now I also have to cut the piping that goes around the neck and the arm. I look great. How will I figure out if it will actually be enough? I don't think this is enough. For like a sleeve, I think I'll need 3 pieces like this.
Another day, another sleeve. Here we are.
I'm just recreating that one reel, no? Don't know. Okay, no problem. Today is the 25th, so I have like 26, 7, 8. 3 days. For 29th, that is my birthday. Why did I assume that you all remember when my birthday is? I think I should do the top first and come back when I have something meaningful to add. This is boring work. It's not boring for me, but when you're watching, it might be boring for you. Look at what I'm doing. Amazing, stunning work. I just realized I forgot to change my needles. Jersey needle, so it's used for stretchy fabrics so that your usual needle will like damage the fabric by poking holes in it. To avoid that, a jersey needle. It comes in 3 sizes. I don't know which one to use. I think I should go with the small one. coverage. So I'm going to attach these two pieces together. Pray to God this goes well. Hi baby.
Hello. Hello. Good morning. Did you have a nice nap? Did you have a nice nap, Mamu? Onioni? വെള്ളമൊക്കെയുണ്ടായിരുന്നോ? അതെടുക്കണ്ട അമ്മ. ഇതെടുക്കാൻ വന്നതാ നീ ഓരോന്ന്? ബേബീനെ റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്യണ്ടമ്മ. അയ്യോ ക്യാമറയെ തട്ടിക്കളഞ്ഞു.
അയ്യോ കത്തറി കിടക്കണ്ട. Okay, you know what? I have to go. Bye. Here's our trial. We see it? Probably very poor lighting. It's a bit loose. It definitely, this is giving t-shirt vibes. I don't want t-shirt. Wanted a really fitted top. Yeah, I like the neckline. It's not too low. It's a bit crooked. I don't know if you can tell. Let's go in search of better lighting. I just did the piping on the sleeves. Let me tell you, it's very bad. I thought it was going to be easy. It's going to be like smooth. No man, this is like when I tell people I made this, they'll be like, yeah, we can tell. Oh man, focus man. Oh no. It's so slow. No. It's so uneven. The fits of rays I'm having right now is unreal. I have never worked with ribbed fabrics before. It's a fucking nightmare. Why is it moving? Just go in a straight line. Can you stop moving? Fuck this. Don't want to see the other side, right? Okay, that's not bad. Ah! It's okay, don't cry. Kinda looks better. Not really. And I feel like I've stretched it out so much that it's probably loose. You can't even see my face now, can you? Wow, lighting. My lamp is cute. Time to try it on. Okay, I will stop crying about it. It's not horrible. If I iron it, it will do. Neckline is okay. It's not as bad as I thought. The fit is good actually. This will do. Ladies and gentlemen, we have finished the top. And I've actually started on the skirt without telling you guys because I'm in the best mood possible. It was one of the easiest skirts I've ever done actually. Tights are done and I'm going to attach the band with the elastic. Oh, please. Don't go into a fit of rage, my god. Nothing, I just, my needle, what? My thread came out of the needle and I have to rethread it. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? It's the next day and it's already 6 o'clock in the evening and I've just started. I'm kind of halfway through the skirt. I'm doing the band as I said yesterday. I was watching reels for like an hour. Yeah, my eyes kind of hurt. You know what I am? A fucking idiot. On the wrong side, like this is the inside. I'm gonna have to take the whole thing out. Believe that just happened, my god. side slits. I have to finish the slits and hem the edge. I wish I had more energy and I was like, yeah, do this. Once I tried on the dress, I kind of realized that I had stretched it out and that it's kind of loose, especially at the back. What I could do was to open up the piping. Yeah, that's a lot of work, but once it's open, I can add a piece of elastic. That way it will not stretch any further. And here is my birthday dress. It's not a dress, it's a two-piece set, but same.